Hi everyone, this is Saad Afzal. I am a student of class 10th. I have been recently promoted to class 10th. I am studying in Darerkam School and I am a student of Achievers Educational Hub. My English teacher is Sir Mudassir Ali and I have been reading from him since 1 year. He is a good teacher and the very best teacher I have ever met in my life, and I want to study from him until my graduation. And today I am gonna talk about some important and necessary reinforcements that we should make in our educational system, because these reinforcements are very important and these changes are very important. I want them in my educational system and I want to improve them as an individual. My right is to talk about them, so today I'm gonna talk about them. So the first point is that we are studying an outdated course that is about what our grandparents have studied. So we are studying the same thing. I mean that our teachers have studied the same thing and our grandparents have studied the same thing. So we are studying that also. So we want some change in our course and some new things that will improve our education and that will improve our knowledge, and they will be very informative and they will be of very good importance for us. So we want our course to be updated. For example, we are studying computer. In computer there is a language named HTML, hypertext markup language, and that is a language that is old. We want HTML5 in our computer book, or some language like JavaScript or CSS that is important for our study. And the second thing we want is that we want some special teachers for some special subject. I mean to say that if there is a teacher of chemistry, she or he is also telling students about English or Urdu. So one teacher should only tell students about one subject. She should not talk about 2 or 3 subjects. She should be a teacher of only one subject. The third point I want to talk about, that there should be a separate importance for sports in our educational system. I mean to say that there are many schools that don't provide students the facility of sports. There should be a separate period for sports. For example, in our academy, Achievers Educational Hub, Sir Mudassir provide us a chance to play sports every weekend. We go to sports arena and we play cricket, football, badminton, or any type of that sport every weekend in our outside our academy. So that is a very good take, and I appreciate that there should be sports in every academy or every school. There should be a separate period for sports in a school, and there should be a separate day. I mean there should be a day of weekend in every academy. So we should provide importance to sports. We should provide importance to cricket, football, badminton, or anything like that. The fourth point I want to talk about, that in our checking system, the checking system in our papers are very corrupt. Some teachers try to promote their children. I mean that some try to promote their own children, their childs, and some try to promote their academic students. I mean that there are some teachers that give marks to their academic students, but they don't give marks to the students who deserve them. So I want that this type of corruption should be prohibited in our schools and our academies. And also in our board checkings, there are teachers that don't check the paper correctly. They just do ticks and they just sign the paper and they don't check it correctly. They don't check it in detail. So the right chance to get promoted in the next class doesn't get to all students. They say that we will promote 50% students and we will fail 50% students. So that is a very bad act, and some students get demotivated, and some of the students get motivated. That's not the right thing, and some students get involved in societal things. The fifth and last point of my conclusion is that there should be a separate period for also languages. I mean that if a student wants to learn the Chinese language, or if a student wants to learn Japanese language, or anyone wants to learn French language, so he can learn it from school or from academy. we should improve our languages, and other than English we should also give importance to other languages like Chinese, French, Japanese and other languages. So we should give importance to them. For example, if we go for a tourism outside Pakistan, so it will be helpful for us to speak in that country, and we will speak fluently with the people of that country, and it will be very helpful for all of us. So today my presentation was all about these 5 points. I hope that our educational system will be improved by these points, and I want these improvements in our educational system. So today my topic was all about this. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz, and join us at Achievers Educational Hub.